it's Saturday evening and I'm in the mood of a cook.
A cocktail.
I'm in the mood of a cocktail. Zal ik zo zeggen?
I'm in the mood of a cocktail.
Baby, blijf maar aangeven.
Ik ga even douchen, schat. Kom op.
Ja, doe maar. Ga maar. Oké, ik kan niet.
Als je het goed doet, hè, wat ik altijd gezien heb bij al die vlogs van al die mensen, als ik wat...
Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nemo. Thank you very much for watching this video. So today is Saturday. It is already Saturday evening and I am really in a mood for a good cocktail. And with that, I am going to show you guys what my favorite cocktail is, and I'm also going to show you how you can make it for yourself, for your friends, for your husband, for your wife, for every adult around you. And it is very simple. All you need, I will show you right now. But before that, I want to tell you a little bit about my face. As you can see, I look very nice. I have makeup on my face, and this is the first time that I do makeup. Like for real, this is the first time in my life that I have makeup on my face. And it was for a special reason. My friend invited me for a photo shoot. A friend of mine organizes events here in the Netherlands, and every year she has an event called Fashion High Tea, and it's just an event that brings people from Africa together and also from the Netherlands together to mix cultures, to share ideas. There is fashion show, there are very pretty models on the runway. Everybody comes there for a good show, to have fun, to meet each other. And this event is for a good cause. So when people pay for this event, when they pay for the entrance, and when they pay to go to this event, that money is collected and later given out for a good cause. And if you're wondering what kind of good deeds does this money go to, so you can take, for example, there are girls, teenagers that is, in Africa who don't have sanitary towels, and because of that they don't go to school, because when they have their periods they cannot go to school like that. So that money is being collected and it is being given to an organization that is going to take the money to Africa or to Kenya and help these people buy the sanitary pads, buy the necessary things that they need to use when they're having their periods. So like maybe also in Africa there is a place where there is no water, or a school where children need to walk like 20 kilometers to find water, or I don't know, you can imagine anything is possible. It is very hard out there. Some people don't have water. So what Fashion High Tea does is to bring people together who are willing to come together and give out their contribution that is going to these children or this school that has no water. Now, if you want to be part of this event, you can do that. Just check on Facebook, Fashion High Tea, Apeldoorn. I will put a link below so that you can easily access the Facebook page, and everybody is welcome. Let's all come together to help these people, to help the people that need our help. And even if you're not going to attend it, I will just want to say to you guys, if there is a way that you can help somebody, please do that. It doesn't need to be money-wise. It doesn't need to be like, it can also be by saying hello, saying, oh, you look beautiful, just giving them a smile. Some people really need that. Some people really need somebody to say hello to them. So whenever you do that, you might be really touching somebody's heart, and you might really be making somebody's day. So let's just be kind for each other. Now, let's go back to the cocktail story. My favorite cocktail's name is Ta-da! Caribbean kick. Yeah, I know it sounds really like kick. Yeah, I'm saying that because, no, I will show you. So what you actually need to make this delicious cocktail is white rum. You can use Bacardi, you can use white rum. I prefer white rum. And then I already poured it out. This is the amount, like, how much is this? Is this 30 ml or 50 ml? I think 50. I would say 50. Between 30 and 50, I don't know. So I put it in here, the white rum. I bought a cocktail shaker recently because my friend showed me this, and since she made it for me, I've been doing it for myself, and I really love this cocktail. And you also need the same amount of, yeah, Malibu. You mix it all together with the rum. And this is also Caribbean rum with coconut flavor, Malibu. And this one was also Caribica, white Caribbean rum. Yeah, Caribbean kick later on is really going to kick in. So you don't really need to use the whole 50 ml or 30 ml, just use whatever amount of alcohol you're comfortable with. And then there is this one that I also use, Pisang Ambon. The original banana liquor, or liqueur, however you like to say it. Tomato. Serve with 2, yeah, I don't know, that's not really important. So, Pisang Ambon, it gives it a green color, a rich green color. This one, also the same amount, like that. You mix it in there. So remember, I have in here 3 types of alcohol. Pisang Ambon, white rum. It doesn't necessarily need to be Caribica white rum. It doesn't need, you can use whatever rum you like. And Malibu. This is the one I use. Of course, you have different types of Malibu with also different flavors. This one is with coconut flavor. You have different ones. Just check which one you like. And then orange juice. With orange juice, you can make your own fresh squeezed oranges, or you can use this one. I use this one because I think it's easy now. I don't want to go do all the squeezing work. So I put just whatever amount I want. Because I already put 3 types of alcohol, I will be generous with the orange juice because I don't want it to kick in immediately. I mean, it is a very generous amount of alcohol already. Put it in there. Cover it. Try to cover it to avoid spillage. Shake it really good. You know, like the experts, you can do it like this, you can do it like this, you can do it like this, whichever way. Just shake it really good. Some people like to use ice in it. I don't like ice. I don't like very cold. I mean, Netherlands is cold enough for me. So, in a very big glass, you can use a cocktail glass or you can use a red wine glass. This is it, a big glass, or a small glass is also okay. It doesn't really matter. And then I put it in there. As you can see, the Pisang Ambon, the green color is also in there. I like that color. I find it to be a very nice, really nice color. It's a mix of green and orange. from the orange juice, and then my straw. If you like to put in ice cubes, you can do that. I don't do that. It's not my thing. It tastes heavenly. So, oh my God. It tastes really good because of the Malibu. The taste is sweet. It's not bitter at all. So if you don't like bitter, stuff, this is just the cocktail to go for. Oh my God, I really like this. Oh my God, I really love this. So that was it, guys. It is very easy, as you have seen, to make Caribbean kick. All you need is rum, white rum, or you can use Bacardi, you can use Caribbean rum. I use this one. You can use whichever you like, and then you also need Malibu, Pisang Ambon, this green one. I'm not sure if they have different colors of Pisang Ambon. I don't know. Check it on Google. But this one, and then mix them all in equivalent amounts. Orange juice, you can do it also. Just squeeze your oranges to get the juice and make a delicious cocktail. I hope you have enjoyed this little tutorial. If you didn't subscribe yet to my channel, please do so. There's much more interesting stuff coming your way. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're gonna try to make this cocktail for you and for your loved ones, adults, please let me know in the comments, and after you've done it, let me know how it tasted. And again, I will say thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!